Kind of like a fun cooker.
FunCooker, yes!
How did it come to this? How did I acquire the FunCooker? It started with a trip to the Butte Folk Festival in 2017, and I had to learn how to make paella for myself. I tried my own version in the Traeger, but the pan was too small. I found the right pan, but no cooking surface could accommodate it. Behold the FunCooker. The Labor Day sale made it irresistible. The citizenry rejoiced and beheld the bounty brought forth by the FunCooker. Its nourishing task completed, the FunCooker awaits its next opportunity to serve.
I'm a fun cooker!
Did you just say FunCooker?